I'm starting to notice what I would say is potentially an alarming trend, posting pictures of the rig on Instagram. And I see this kind of theme coming up over and over. And I've had a couple chats with a couple friends, they'll all remain anonymous, that are working playback techs. A few are working with like major artists out on the road doing things. Kind of shared my same, not frustration, but my same worry, my same fear. That's a better way to say it. I would encourage you to not try to make the goal of the rig that you're building to make it Instagrammable. Particularly with, I think, younger folks that are just getting into playback, that are building playback rigs that have so many things stuffed in such a small space, very hard to troubleshoot live in the moment, and rigs that are very hard to expand because it's like custom design and there's no room for expansion. There's no room for growth. There's no consideration of modularity. You press play on your computer, suddenly your ninth output is not working. Check your XLR cable. Okay, that's good. We know that that's working to the console. You look at your interface, it's metering. It's getting output from Ableton. And you're going, okay, what's the problem here? Well, I've got this custom designed pass-through snake that's connected, from my Play Audio 12 to an XLR pass-through that goes out. It's got to be there. Okay, well, how do I fix that? I got to go get a screwdriver, and none of us are prepared enough to actually have a screwdriver. We got to go bug, the lighting